and Joy, they were living in Castillon. They even buy house together for Castillon. Okay? So, Chinedu can't give Joy belle. Joy can't get belle. Joy can't born one baby boy. Then Chinedu can't tell Joy, say, Joy, make we go Nigeria, make we go do marriage. According to Joy. So when Chinedu and Joy can't go Nigeria now, they can't go Nigeria, so they won't go do introduction. That time before they go Nigeria, Joy was pregnant. Joy carry belle, follow body, go Nigeria. So as Joy reach Nigeria now, Chinedu can't tell Joy, say, may you kukuma just wait. May we just do our holiday. Just be like honeymoon, you know, after introduction, everything. Just be like honeymoon. Just wait. Nothing they happen for Europe now. Just relax for a year. Make me go Europe. Make me come back. Joy now, as the man where Joy love, Joy can't agree for Chinedu. Then Chinedu can't rent house for Joy. He can't furnish the house according to Chinedu. Then Joy can't date there. Chinedu can't come back to Spain. So when Joy can't wait now, she don't almost the due to deliver. Chinedu, you not come back again. He go say, make Joy not worry, make Joy relax. Say he go come after all. Anytime they can always come back. Chinedu now, he not come the you know, do as they plan. Before you know it, Joy belle, he can't reach to born, then Joy can't born. So when Joy can't born now, they not see Chinedu. Chinedu still there for Europe. Then Joy mother come here say, Joy dey Nigeria. Even when Chinedu come Nigeria with Joy, their mother, they will think that they don't even go back. Not knowing that Chinedu go back to abroad. Leave Joy and the baby where they carry follow body that was 3 years old. Leave her for Nigeria. Then Joy come still born. Then the Joy mother come here say, Joy don't born and Joy dey Nigeria. I be say Joy dey Nigeria. Her mother no even know where he dey. Then the woman can't go find Joy, can't find and go Agbo. Where Chinedu for renters for Joy for Agbo. And Joy now, I know as a newborn woman, now she need help. So when Joy see mother, Joy conscious say, Mama, you say no say I did. Mama say, I know, no. If they find you, people they tell you say you not there abroad, say you still there Nigeria. How you go there Nigeria? You not go even let him know. So with that happiness, now Joy can't need to call Chinedu. Say, Chinedu, my mother there here, oh. He won't greet you. Now Chinedu say, give him phone. Now Chinedu come follow Joy the verse. Say, why you let your mother know where you they stay? Why you let your mother know our house? Good evening, big sister Julia Marty. Good evening, ma. Why you let Joy know where you they stay? Why you let your mother know where you they stay? He can't they quarrel with Joy. He can't they verse with Joy. Joy can't say, no problem. He not even fit stay for Agbo again. He need help. He need to follow his mama go Benin. Now actually tell her, say, if you follow your mother go Benin, this is the end of the relationship. If you follow your mother go Benin, stay where I put you. And I don't want to see your family for that house again. Even my family, I don't want to see anybody for that house again. So now Joy can say, he no go fit stay. He will just newly born. You know, you just said you they come back. Travel will not come travel again. You just leave us for here. Now Chinedu can't say, okay, no problem. Go. Now Joy can't to follow him, mama. He can't go back to Benin from Agbo. After some time now, Chinedu can't call Joy. He can't tell Joy, say, Joy, bring some food stuff come for me. But as they bring the food stuff, they come, make you put your documents. Make you put our son documents. Spanish government, they won't start to pay us some money because of, say, they won't start to pay for Ayuda. That is help. Now Joy can say, how much? He can tell Joy, say, the money now about 1 million plus. Now Joy say, I don't want a big money. Oh. Good evening, Diamond, Augusta. Good evening. So now Joy can say, I don't want a very big money. Oh. Why not? Now Joy can buy food stuff for Chinedu. Joy can put her documents. Joy can put the Peking document. He can't say, oh, go give Chinedu. This is he send those documents, go give Chinedu. This year is making it 13 years. Joy not see Chinedu again for her. The Peking where them born carry from Spain, follow body go Nigeria. That Peking is 15 years. The one where them born for Nigeria since where Chinedu take leave them, that one na girl, that one there for 13 years. So after when Joy don't find Chinedu, no, we never find Chinedu go, Chinedu not come back. Chinedu phone where Joy they fit they reach Chinedu before. Chinedu change, he changed the phone, instead they use another number. Joy carry fight, carry go Chinedu village. They follow Joy fight. They say they don't see Chinedu. So Joy can't get stranded. Not be 1 year, oh. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years. This year is making it 12 years. When Chinedu take collect documents from Joy and he own some documents, this year is making it 12 good years. When Chinedu take collect those documents, now he come out. Since then, Joy not set eye on Chinedu again. Then they start to suffer. If you even see the pikin were there for 15 years, they be like pikin were there for 7 years. Bad food, bad nutrition. The child is not eating well. Even the one where he born for there were there 13 years, the same thing. They are not even growing. If you even see Chinedu grow, but the mother not grow. Okay, me and show now the time where Chinedu wife take go genocide. Now be this.
How can a man bring you to Nigeria and leave you in Nigeria with the documents? No, okay, you were living in Valencia.
Yes, no, Castillon.
Yeah, but it's under Valencia. Castillon is under Valencia, very close to Alicante. I've been to that place. Alicante, Benidorm, yes, Valencia, all those places are the same places. Okay, now this is your residence. Or what is this? Hospital card?
Yes, my son.
This is a hospital card. Yes. I have one of these. Yeah. Okay. Now,
it's my son.
Where's the resident permit?
He took them.
Okay, your resident permit, you took them. How many years permit did you have then?
It has been long. I can't remember because my head carry many things. My head is confused. Not so.
What's his name?
Many.
Yeah, your husband's name.
Okay, Chinedu.
What about his family? You don't have his family's address?
He has a family.
Where?
They are in the airport.
Have you been to their place?
Yeah, we have been there.
So what are they saying?
They have not seen anything.
Have they seen him?
But the man has been coming to Nigeria.
He don't see you guys?
No, he don't see me and the children.
Are you sure they are his children?
So these are the kids.
This is the guy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Chinedu?
Yes, he's back.
Okay, we'll find him and talk to him for sure. Yes. We'll find him. He lives in which country, Spain?
Yes.
Okay, we'll find him, please. If you know Chinedu, tell him to call me.
Okay.
With immediate effects. We are going to take his name to the Spanish embassy.
Okay.
If you know Chinedu.
This was how Chinedu picture came out. So immediately when Chinedu picture come out, so people come start with the call. They come call. They say they know Chinedu, they still know the woman. They come say, Joy. Before you even make that decision, you don't even tell anybody. They come say, the friends come say, they don't even know when Joy take go Nigeria. It's a very long time, they never see Joy. And Chinedu was living in Castillon, but now Chinedu is no more living in Castillon. You understand? Okay, where Chinedu come dey? Then they come start investigation. They can't do investigation, or they can't find out say Chinedu don't leave Castillon. Then Chinedu went to Murcia. So when Chinedu reached Murcia, he can't get accident for where she is for the work. So they can't put Chinedu for invalid. That is, you cannot work, but it's like disabled. But the government go they pay you for life. Okay? So they can't say, okay, where Chinedu come there now? Hope say Chinedu there abroad. They can't do investigation, do. So because they go find out. With the Igbo Association where they for Spain, they can't send Chinedu picture. And the full name, they go all the association where they for Spain. They can't find out say Chinedu don't already leave Castillon, they Murcia. So they can't find Chinedu reach association for Murcia. They can't find out say Chinedu, yes, not true. He first de Murcia, but now Chinedu not de Murcia again. Okay, where Chinedu come dey? After much investigation, thanks to our brother Genocide, they can't find out say Chinedu de Nigeria. Chinedu not de abroad. Chinedu de Nigeria. Okay? So, now they can say, Chinedu de Nigeria. How come say Chinedu de Nigeria? When it be say, It's supposed to dey abroad. So the wife said even surprised. Say, so Chinedu dey Nigeria. And Chinedu dey Nigeria. Chinedu not there for abroad. Now they can't say, where you can't there for Nigeria? They can't say how they find her. They can't say how they find her. They can't say how they find her. They can't tell the wife, say, you know where there is una house there for Agbo. Now the woman say, yes, even they even build us for Agbo. He know the place. Now they can't say, okay, fine. You will take us to Agbo. Then the other side, they can't charter more to, they can't go Agbo. As they can't reach Agbo, they can't meet Chinedu. This is Chinedu.
I deal with you, my brother. I deal with you. I feel your pain. I feel your pain, my G. My G, I feel your pain. I am with you. I feel your pain, man. I am with you. I got everything around. They block the entire UK. That's why they deport me. Come here. Before that, you do everything. You cannot hear that. US cannot hear that. That's why they hear. Who calls them? Who calls that one? Because of that woman. No, listen. If you need message to everything, make him come my village. We will request everything as we discuss everything before. Now she's supposed to pay me. I block everything. Chopping not less than 6 million naira. I thought the woman frustrates you. Yeah, it frustrates me. That's why they're here. You understand me? Okay, but you know, I know you ask them. You ask them. I think relax. I have what it takes. I have what it takes to help you out. Okay? Right? Just tell me that names. Just tell me that name. Get Chinedu number for me. Chinedu, give them your number for me. I will be communicating with you. Let's go to help out of this country. Did you hear what I said now? Yeah, but I hear you, boss. Yeah, get Chinedu number for me. Let's see how we can help Chinedu out of this country. Because no man deserves to suffer that much. You see what women are doing to our men? You see what women are doing to our men? A man who live abroad because of woman is not living this kind of life.
That's it for you. Anything when they want to discuss, when they come to the village.
Okay. So this was when they finally find where Chinedu was living. Chinedu, they live for Agbo. Chinedu open provision store for Agbo. Chinedu said they deport him from abroad to come Nigeria. Chinedu said now they live very poor because of that woman. You understand? So even the other side now, waiting the man, they say, hey, you know, especially Chinedu, he will meet Chinedu for that kind of condition. Everybody was thinking that Chinedu there for abroad. I can't be say Chinedu where everybody especially there for abroad, they there for Nigeria. How come about that? So as Nigeria they say, you see women, you don't need to trust women. Women are very dangerous. If even they talk, you say, well, I will talk my story. I will talk my story. Chinedu, I'm with you. Chinedu, I'm with you. You know? Everybody come even they say, and also women bad. Women are very bad though. Imagine, you just make your husband go prison because the man said he go prison. He said that now because of the woman. He said they deport her from Africa, come Nigeria. He said I say because of the woman. You understand? So everybody now come just say, I mean, that woman a bad woman. She never said the truth. Why not to say Chinedu rich like? Why not to say he maltreated Chinedu rich like this? You understand? So they come when they come finish, they come the beg Chinedu. I beg your children they inside they just go embrace. They say no, lie. Not be the woman. Forget about it. We say no one. You no one see children. No one get anything to do with the children. You don't want to get anything to do with the woman. Make them just go. As if the woman don't put in for this condition. Now so if they borrow food they eat now, you know they feel make 2,000 naira a day. They deport him from Europe come in Nigeria. So make them just leave him, make him just day. He not just want the woman again. They come they beg Chinedu. Meanwhile, investigation is still going on. Okay, investigation is still going on. So after they don't see Chinedu finish and they still continue with the investigation. So the investigation will come bring us say Chinedu lied. Chinedu lied. Say they deport her. They not deport Chinedu. Chinedu is a passport holder. He gets Spanish Bali. You understand me? Chinedu don't marry with children. You understand me? Chinedu, they come abroad anytime where you want, because why? The kind of situation where in there for abroad, now the one where we say he not will work. Okay, because he get accidents for where they work before for Musia. So he not will feel work. The only thing where they will feel do for that, they give her money every month where they survive. So every month now, money they enter Chinedu account. Chinedu no need to stay abroad again. He don't get anything we go do for after they don't marry. And the wife will marry in Nigeria. And he still get children. He don't still born with the woman too for Nigeria. You understand? So he doesn't have any need of coming to Europe to stay. So even let they come to Europe and go. Come to Europe and go. Like this kind of winter period, then you go to Nigeria. They do in business. Okay? Then when someone will reach, he will come abroad. Still come collect the money where they put for your account. Still come collect and still go back to Nigeria. But he can't lie to everybody say they deport him. Of which they not deport Chinedu. Chinedu is a passport holder. You understand me now? And Chinedu don't marry. He don't marry with children. Okay. What is the problem now? Waiting make you carry your woman with your children. Do you know that Joy, na Europe here, na Chinedu for meet Joy. Not be Chinedu carry Joy come from Nigeria, come abroad. But Chinedu carry Joy from abroad, go through away for Nigeria, collecting documents, collecting picking documents. They can't say no. They need to settle the matter. They can't investigate. Ask Chinedu, say, come on, Chinedu. They not deport you. Why you lie? Say they deport you. He said because in the verse. You the verse. You not go prison. Why you lie? Say this woman, now he put you for prison. He said all those things when he just they talk. Imagine all those things, millions of things when he talk. He said all na lie. He said he just use and take in just the verse. Now making him do one. They can't say okay. The children documents, we need them because we need to take these children back to Europe. And this woman said, he give you these children documents. He said, no. Said the woman not give them the children documents. I said, the children document there with you. The woman said, you send and say, make him buy food stuff, come for you. Okay? Make him put the picking document inside. Make him put our own document inside. So you won't take apply for what they call ajuda. Ajuda na help. Just be like social help. You understand? For the child and you. And they paid the woman about almost ₦1 million. So now made the woman say, I don't want a big money. Now she should put the documents, put for inside crayfish, put for inside bonga, ripen, said and go give Chinedu for abroad. Since when Chinedu received those documents, is the past 11 to 12 years. Chinedu did not come back again. Chinedu not even ask of his children in Peking. Both the one where the woman carry follow body from Europe, come Africa, and both the one where the woman born for Nigeria. Chinedu not ask of any of them again. Chinedu just abandon them. Look for another wife, marry. Just they live his own life. 10 years not be today. 10 years now. In fact, now decade, now be 10 years. Peking where Chinedu carry follow body from here go Nigeria. That one dey 15 years now. Then the one where be said them born for there, where Chinedu a Peking get belle, that Peking are there for 13 years. Meaning these children have been in Nigeria for the past 13 years with the woman. They have been suffering. If you see the woman, if you see they not they grow, the children not just they grow because malnutrition, they are not eating well, they are not growing. The problem now be say, Chinedu, you bring this Peking document come aside. Because with this Peking document, that is the only way. Where be say, this Peking and the mama go fit go back to abroad. Because not be you carry this woman go abroad. You not be just carry a woman. Where be say you meet her abroad. Not be you carry and go abroad. You just carry her back to Nigeria. And this guy even talk and say, that time, his parents even still there alive. This thing make them, they are not waiting even killing parents. Because they won't believe what they are saying, that their own daughter, where they abroad, they come to Nigeria, they suffer because of one man. No document to go back, no money to eat, nothing. Chinedu, why you do this thing where you do so? He said because he give the woman, whether he say give the woman 6 million at that time, he furnish us for her. What he want furnish for her for Nigeria? Are they supposed to be in Nigeria or they are supposed to be abroad? Now, document that they fight for Chinedu as it's all these days. After some days ago, Chinedu come at last release the Pikin documents. Okay. Make una watch am. The time we take release the Pikin documents. Okay? See am.
Confirm. Okay, confirm.
That's why I bring everything to them.
Okay, confirm. Beauty.
Yeah, boss.
Don't show the screen. Take it off. Make a copy of those documents for me. Okay, so the boy even have a resident in Spain. The boy can go to Spain. Okay, Chinedu, all right. I want you to know that I am aware that somebody is using joy documents in Spain. Okay?
I don't know.
Hold on. Okay, it's okay, brother. I want you to know that I am aware that somebody is using joy document in Spain and possibly somebody has sold joy documents. So we have all those information. Okay?
You can try and look everything. Well, everything there with me. The documents is not there with me. For Europe, you stay in Europe. You can't pick another person documents. You hold it for hand. You're supposed to hold your own documents or your daughter or your picking documents. You live in Europe. For Europe, you can't see another person documents.
I understand what you are saying. Okay, are you giving us a permission now to arrest the person using that document?
Yeah. He said,
are you giving us permission to call the law and arrest the person using that document, and that person will not tell us how they got the document?
I don't hold the documents. No, let my picking.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
Yeah, let me explain. Let me explain to him, sir. He said, now, you said the documents of Madam Joy is not with you. They said if they now find out that the document is with somebody in Europe and the person got to maybe probably say maybe you are part of it, what do you want us to do? And what action do you want us to take? Anything?
Okay, that's good. Let me make a call to a Europe diplomat who has been on the case, and okay, since Chinedu said he doesn't have the document, we're going to follow up with that. So Joy, you don't worry, you are going to go back to Spain. The father is going to fight for the daughter. The daughter will be going back to Spain too. Okay? So, yeah, you don't worry. Chinedu is a...
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, Godfrey family, you see everything.
I think you now see him. The man, that is Chinedu, at the end, he can't bring the document of the son where he sees since over 13 years. Where your woman on now, he say not taken. He said the woman ain't not seen. I don't say, the very day when he give you your son, now you still put her own inside. Now you say make him bring the two come. May you take 5 for social, may they say they get money. Why you can't be now say, now let this begin on now you bring. You not bring man. I say no where Joy put in. Say not take Joy document. He said Joy document not there with her. And meanwhile, Spanish government don't confirm and say, and some people will still there here don't confirm and say, that document is working. Chinedu, he reach here, he carry Joy documents, give another person, make that person take the work. Automatically, because this matter is about 10 years ago now. Definitely Joy get 5 years before that time, Abi. Okay, let me say they don't renew that document again now. Okay, how they say renew that document? Because if that document is still working till today, meaning that document was already renewed, meaning the person where they use that document, they don't still go use in that document, they do passport, some print, put. Good evening, Igodaro. Thank you, Giagbe. Thank you. Meaning it don't already go use the documents. They don't also renew the document, renew the passport. Meaning somebody else has completed on behalf of Joy. Meaning somebody else has also done another passport with Joy name. Because you say you don't see the documents. And Joy now, document not go fit there with Joy, because Joy there in Nigeria. And we document there with Joy. Joy for not there in Nigeria, Joy for done there abroad for long. You understand? Then, how Joy go to Nigeria, in document go they work for Europe. If not be you, give the document to somebody else, make it take the work. But this man, he no one agree. He said, lie, he not see Joy documents. Joy document not deal with him. He don't know what happened to Joy documents. And that document is working. Now see the kind of heart where people will get. You collect documents from your wife because they married for Spain. Oh, this one they thought they married for Spain. The reason why they went back home was to go and do introduction, according to the woman. The reason they went home was to go and do traditional marriage, to do introduction. So when they finish the introduction, the man constantly they wait first, make him go. When he come back, all of them will come go together. And this man not say Joy was soon born. He just be like, say, this man just deceived Joy. He already planned everything out. Just deceived Joy. Just carry Joy, come out for Europe. Carry and go Nigeria. Suffer, go dump and there. Use a brain and say, we won't go. They said they even buy house together for Castillon. Joy said, two of them, they were working. Two of them, they buy house together for Castillon. You understand? So this man feels maybe the house they buy together, they still build us together for Agbo. They still build us together for Agbo. But the time when they take, when he take carry Joy go Nigeria, they never finished that house that time. But they were, both of them were the one building that house together. You see the kind of heart where some people will get. How can human being be so heartless? Even if Joy get wetin do you, not be you carry Joy come abroad. Not be you say, okay, now you carry and come, then you get every right to take return her back home. But not be you carry Joy come. You meet Joy for Europe. You deceive Joy. You carry her from here, go Nigeria, go dump her for Nigeria for the past 13 years with your children. You dump them finish now, you go marry another wife, you can't they born, you can't abandon them. Do you understand? You even ask and say, okay, since all this why, even if you don't want Joy again, why you not look for your children? He said, no, where they dey. Now just like I say, but ain't no where you dey. Not be they can't find you now for Agbo. If you are putting more effort to find Joy, you say you know if you see Joy, and you know if you see your children. Okay, still embrace your children. He said, you do like this. Now just say, even your children, you don't even love your children. I mean, they not be your children. Say they've been children. What is the problem? You don't even feel embrace your children. May you give your children fatherly love. May you show them love at least for the first time for the past 13 years. It take this man time. It take this man time to take embrace in children. Just imagine. Person when you not carry go abroad, you get mind to return her back to where she from so far. Maybe that woman now pass road come, who knows? From where she for so far, come abroad, you can't carry her back, go drop for there. Which kind of heart be that? I bet somebody, if you call in, you can call in and come and contribute. Is it possible, that kind of heart? I don't see that kind of wicked heart before. Yeah, they say people, they wicked for life. But this kind of Chinedu wickedness, he surprised me, say, someone can be so heartless, even up to his own biological children. He used the wickedness of, he won't wicked the mother. He used that same wickedness for his own children. He don't even care. Say this Peking, they born her for Spain. Now this Peking, they live for Nigeria. He don't even care. Say this Peking now will become normal, that is, you know, become somebody nice in the future. That is, you know, become great person. If this Peking continue to date for Nigeria. Even the one self, where it be say, they still born for Nigeria. Chinedu let his wife born her for Nigeria. Make that Peking for not get Europe nationality like the first one. Okay, which kind of hatred? Because the time when two of them from Europe go Nigeria, they're not the quarrel. According to Joy, they're not the quarrel. They come Nigeria together. Good evening, Shasha Igbinidu. Good evening. They come Nigeria together. They come Nigeria, come plan how they want to do their introduction, of which they did. After the introduction, the man now leave the woman behind for Nigeria. Tell her say make he no worry. Say in they come. When he make the woman fair rest. Say later he go come meet her. You not men now. He don't plan everything. Even before he carry Joy go Nigeria, he don't plan her. Because even Joy friends wey call from Musia, no from a Castillon, they talk say they even surprised they not come to see Joy again. Joy no even tell anybody say if they come Ebuka, I will block you and don't repeat that rubbish statement here again. Are you okay? What do you mean by the problem started when Chinedu married to Ashawo? Who tell you say she be Ashawo? Who tell me I block you out of here? All this una dirty statements. No. Una instead of una to they accept una wrong. Una they claim rights. What have marrying to Ashawo got to do with this now? Now okay, Ashawo not better past Chinedu. Let's talk. Ashawo, he not better past Chinedu. The kind wicked heart where Chinedu gets, Ashawo not forget that kind mind. Not be Ashawo born 2 children for us so. He not say na Ashawo before he go carry belle give am. Because everything where concern on Ashawo. Look, I know they like to the tribalism. That is why me and they always they get problem. This is why me and they always they get problem. Because when somebody go the top topic, una come jump inside because say na Igbo man, person no fit talk again. Una come jump inside, come they call the woman where involved Ashawo. Why? He blind before he married the Ashawo. They shook something for his eye. Now Ashawo he born 2 children for him. He from here carry one go Nigeria. He reach Nigeria and he carry belle follow body go Nigeria. Ashawo not better pass that one. If person not be wish, you know they do something like wish. Even wish, what teaching they do wish self not go do one. Even if that woman get what he do, at least you will still get pity mind for your own children. I been not saying na Ashawo according to you. This this thing. You know not say na Ashawo before he marry her. He meet her for Ashawo joint. Are you okay? You are talking of something important. You are talking of this thing. No, you people don't have respect. You insult women anyhow. We are talking of a father that abandoned his own children. I be in children to na Ashawo. In children to na Ashawo. Which kind of rubbish talk be that one? Just imagine. The character when Chinedu do. Is that not demonic? Person when you not carry come abroad. Not be you carry Joy come abroad. Even if Joy get what you do, you say you won't even leave Joy. You live her for here. You live her for where you for meet her. You live her for abroad. You don't know how that get suffering. Carry himself, carry himself, come abroad. Then you just come reach abroad now. Carry her back to Nigeria, collect her documents. Then you are coming back here. You give the document to somebody else to be working with her documents. And you leave her down there to be suffering. Me, I don't know why they don't want to make this case to the law. This case is supposed to reach the law. I'm telling you, Chinedu will go in for it. If Spanish government hear this matter where we they talk for years, so Chinedu will go in for it. He will go in for it. Number 1, for giving the wife document out for someone else to work. You don't fit deny her. Because Joy is in Nigeria. Now Joy come from Nigeria, posting documents come abroad. I go take deny that one. Joy get document for her. Now you not fit travel, come back to Europe. You gonna need to explain to Spanish government how Joy documents they reach abroad when Joy is in Nigeria. You need to explain to them. That is number 1. Number 2, you still also need to explain to Spanish government why he be say the pikin when he born for Europe. He carry and go draw for Nigeria for the past 13 years. That boy is a citizen of Spain. He go still give Spanish government another explanation why he do that. That one that they call child negligence. You neglect that child. You refuse, you not let that child get his own rights. You deprive that child of his rights. Now, big crime for Europe. This will not be Nigeria. This one are Europe. They just the pity because they don't want use and say maybe okay, they won't make Joy get in own life back. then through Joy getting her own life back, they'll come, they destroy Chinedu life. No. They don't want to do it like that. You understand? They just want to do and say, okay, nobody go suffer and nobody go lose. Everybody go dey okay. Everybody go dey fine. Because what Chinedu do is a criminal. Yes, my dear, it's a criminal offense. Yes, now, it's a criminal offense now. How can you return a child born in Europe? You return her back to Africa. You collect in documents. For the past 13 years, that child has been living in Nigeria. A child born in Europe. Suffering. The woman when you meet for abroad, you collect a document from her also. You carry the document, go give another person they work. Then you abandon the woman for Nigeria. Not be you carry and come abroad. Which right you get to